Ngā mihi koutou. Kia ora, my name is Devan.
And Whakaoho, Winton School, I'm Ryan. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Ahina, the 3rd of August.
It's a huge week at Winton School. We're counting down to dressing up and getting on stage.
Singing and dancing, whoop whoop. Have fun everyone. Productions do not happen every year. Go big.
Okay, let's start the week with Chinese Class Awards. Can we have a big pizza drum roll please for
Room 6 and 12.
Car pie. Keep your classroom tidy. Those pizzas taste delicious. Just ask room 5.
A big kia ora to all the librarians. Library's open at 12:40 today.
It's clean and it's also toasty warm. And there's books. Hey hey.
Okay, on to te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is whaka-oho,
which is te reo for wake up, as in whaka-ora tito. Wake up, darling.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing. Remember, to and from school, wear your high-vis vest.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the music game, or you can read all the notices in the textbooks.
Low. Tiki team news. Can you please meet in room 13 at interval? Thanks.
And all senior girls able to play in the Whakaoho Football League, please meet in room 13 at morning tea. Thank you.
Birthday news. Happy birthday to Carl Gilbert, who turned 9 yesterday.
Happy birthday to Carl. Rock on.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite e popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay classy within school.